In this video, we're going to walk you through a beautiful sounding chord progression in the key of C major. Now we're going to go from the 4, 5, 6 to the 4, 5, 6, flat 7. And we're going to break down each chord and show you how to play them with tabs and explain how they flow together musically. Let's jump in. Since we're in the key of C major, your 4 chord is F, the 5 is G, and the 6 is A minor. Now when we add that nice unexpected flat 7 chord, we get a B flat major. Now that gives the progression a cool, slightly borrowed sound from another key, in this case, the C minor. Now let's show the chord diagrams and explain the finger placement for each. This is an F bar chord. Use the index finger to bar all the strings in the first fret. Place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, then pinky finger right below the ring finger on the 3rd fret of the D string. For G major, put your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the low E, index on the 2nd fret of the A string, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and pinky on the 3rd fret of the high E. For the A minor, your index goes on the 1st fret of the B string, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and ring finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. Try your best not to strum on the low E, but if you do, this is how both of them would sound like. Here's without the low E. Now here's with the low E. It'll sound noticeable when you actually play the whole chord progression. B flat is another bar chord. Bar your index finger across the 1st fret from the A string down. Place your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the D string. Then your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the G string. Finally, your pinky on the 3rd fret of the B string. Even though it's not normally part of C major, it sounds awesome and gives your progression a bit of a borrowed, unexpected feel. The flat 7, B flat major, in C major is borrowed from C minor, specifically from the C natural minor scale. Now we'll play through the first progression, F, G, A minor. Feel free to let that 6th chord ring out for an extra bar. Now let's add that twist, the B flat major chord. That B flat adds a bit of tension and character. Play each for 4 beats. Let's try it together. Now let's add that twist, the B flat major chord. That B flat adds a bit of tension and character. You can play this progression with simple down strums or spice it up with a cool rhythm like this. That last chord, the B flat, sounds a little bit different, kind of like something you hear in a cool rock or movie song. It makes the music more interesting and fun, and it's great when you want to make your own songs or play a loop. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what chord progression you want to learn next. Happy playing. Bye. See ya. 1.